Hi there. In this video, we'll walk you through how to set up a custom domain in WhatsForm. This allows you to personalize your form URLs for a more professional look. When you create a form in WhatsForm, you'll receive a random URL like this. Now, you can customize this by changing both the form domain and the form link. The form domain is the main website domain in your URL. For example, in this link, the domain is WhatsForm.com. The form link is the unique identifier in your URL, like ABCDEF in our example. This can be customized to suit your branding and make it easier to remember. Here's what we are going to do. We are going to change this URL to something like this. Let's go over this step by step. On your WhatsForm dashboard, click on Account, then go to Account Settings. Under Custom Domain, enter your preferred subdomain. For example, let's set it to forms.thedemowebsite.xyz. Then click Save to apply the changes. Next, we need to change the DNS settings. DNS stands for Domain Name System. You can manage your DNS settings through your domain registrar, such as GoDaddy, Cloudflare, Namecheap, etc. Now let's go through the steps in Cloudflare. Open your website's dashboard, click on your domain, and go to the DNS tab. In here, we'll need to add a CNAME record. Click on Add Record. Set the type to CNAME, and in the name field, enter your subdomain, like forms. In the target field, type WhatsForm.com. Turn off the proxy status, leave TTL as auto, and then click Save. That's it. You've successfully set up your form domain. Now, all our forms in WhatsForm will open under the new form domain, forms.thedemowebsite.xyz, instead of WhatsForm.com. This new domain fully replaces WhatsForm's default links. You can also customize each form further by changing its form link. Let's see how we can do that. Open the form you want to modify. Click on Settings and go to the General section. Find the form link field. Edit it to your desired name, like Inquiry in this example, and click Save. Let's click here to check the live version. Now, instead of a random link, your form will now have a clean and meaningful URL, like this. And that's it. You've successfully set up a custom domain and customized your form link in WhatsForm. If you have any questions, please visit whatsform.help.center.